Hi, in this video we're going to look at finding where a straight line and a quadratic curve meet. So it says solve the simultaneous equations y is equal to 3x plus 6 and y is equal to 2x squared minus 3 algebraically and verify the result using a graph. So we've got y is equal to 3x plus 6, we'll call that equation 1. Then write down the second one, which is y is equal to 2x squared minus 3, and call that equation 2. What you do, because you've got both y is equal to, you substitute equation 2 into 1. So wherever there's a y on this one, you now replace it with 2x squared minus 3. So we're going to have 2x squared minus 3 is equal to 3x plus 6. Now this is a quadratic. Now to solve quadratics, you need to put it equal to 0. So let's take 3x minus 6 from both sides. So we're going to have 2x squared minus 3x, and then minus 3 minus 6 gives me minus 9. And if you take 3x minus 6 from this side, you're going to end up with nothing. So this is a quadratic equation which we can solve. So we can solve it by factorizing. So one way to do it is to look at the product. So the product will be 2 times minus 9. 2 times minus 9, which is minus 18. And then the sum is the middle number, which is minus 3. And then the factors will be, so we want two numbers which give me minus 18. And when we add the same two numbers, we get minus 3. So that gives minus 6 and 3. Let's just check. Minus 6 times 3 gives minus 18, and minus 6 plus 3 gives minus 3. So now we take the quadratic equation, we write 2x squared, and we split the middle term up into minus 6x and plus 3x, and then we've got the minus 9 on the end, and it's still equal to 0. Now it doesn't matter which way round you write these two. Now the common factor here, we group these two terms together and factorize them. So the highest common factor will be 2x. So get 2x, and we're going to get left with x minus 3. And we group these two terms together and we take out the common factor of 3. And we get x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now x minus 3 is also now a common factor, so that comes out. So you get x minus 3 and you're left with 2x plus 3. Is equal to 0. So either x minus 3 is equal to 0, which gives x is equal to 3, or 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, so that gives 2x is equal to minus 3, and then x is equal to minus 3 over 2. So we've got the values of x. To find the values of y, we substitute back into equation 1. So we're going to have that y is equal to 3 times 3 plus 6, which gives you 15. And when x is equal to minus 3 over 2, we're going to have that y is 3 times minus 3 over 2 plus 6. And that's going to give you 3 over 2. You could work this out using your calculator, using the fraction button on your calculator. So we've got two sets of answers. We've got when x is 3, y is 15, and when x is minus 3 over 2, y is 3 over 2. So x is minus 3 over 2, y is 3 over 2. So let's just go back there a minute. So when x is equal to minus 3 over 2, we're going to get that y is 3 over 2. So writing those solutions out, we've got x is minus 3 over 2, y is 3 over 2, and when x is 3, y is equal to 15. Now you're asked to verify the result on a graph. So to draw the quadratic on a graph, you should just use the table function on your calculator. Okay, so and you'll get this graph here. And then to draw the straight line, you can use y is equal to mx plus c. So you will see here very clearly when x is minus 3 over 2, y is 3 over 2, and when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 15. So the solutions actually correspond to the coordinates of the points of intersection. Okay, so the coordinates will be minus 3 over 2, 3 over 2, which is that point there, and 315, which is that point there. So this has been a video to show you how to find how a line and a quadratic intersect. You should bear in mind that obviously a line doesn't always intersect. It could be like a tangent, or maybe it just does not intersect at all. And the algebra will bring out either one solution for the tangent or no solutions for the line not actually intersecting. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.